financial year 25-26, week 1, or I guess week 2. Let's check week 2, I guess. Yo, week. Okay, week 1. This won't count, so we'll count yahan se. So this is week 1, financial year 25-26. And this is the week I received my first payout from Alpha. And this is the week I cleared my first futures evaluation account from Apex Trader. And this is the account 150k, which I got for, yeah, too much to mention if anybody is listening. So, yeah, this is the account. This is self review, weekly self review of accounts and expenditures on evaluations. So, I bought one Fires, one Alpha, two Lucid, which both got breached and I lost them. And yeah, one Apex, which we have cleared and now are funded with 150k. The target was 9,000 and the drawdown limit was around 4,000 and the daily was 1,200, I guess. And we managed to clear it, and we had to purchase a performance account from the same because they don't take the fee of performance account in the first phase. So you will have to pay performance account fee after you pass your evaluation. So these are the trades. So started 20th March. And if we see the daily PNL. So as usual, I start with a drawdown phase where I make 1,000, where I lose 1k and then 937, and then I don't do trading, I guess. Yeah, must be a weekend. So, and then I again lose 1k, and I guess I did some review here and told myself to not lose more than 1k. So to survive first and then make something out of it. So this was it, 726, 541.00. I guess, I don't know, some bank holiday must be there in Forex Factory. So I didn't take any trade. And then we go to March 30th where we make 854, and then again the losing target remains same throughout the phase. So that is what I focused more on than to make money. Yeah, this is where we breached 1,000's limit, and we managed to close day with 1,300. And then so look at this, we managed to lose even less on the 3rd of April. And then we didn't trade because it must be weekend. Yes, it was the weekend. And then we make directly, I don't know why it is not showing. This is the 4,000. Yeah, this is 4,186. This is 2,464, and this is last. Oh yeah, this is 5,000, and this is the day we cleared our challenge. And these are the trades. 15 sessions, 32 fails, I guess. How many trades? 16 trades. Yeah, 16 trades, 1,000 loss. Sounds good. And this is 900. This is again the same thing which we discussed earlier यहाँ पे. And this was the day that inspired me to, just go for it and clear the account and not waste any of my time, because I was on a vacation, much of a staycation at the at home only, and I had to make sense of why I'm not going somewhere and enjoying my vacation, mini vacation. So this is why I it built up that pressure in me to clear this account, and which I guess helped me to clear this. This is, and the model which I use to uh, you know clear or pass the evaluation in Apex Trader funding is time liquidity model. Okay, I don't know. Notes. Can we go in notes and do that? Okay, this is notes. Too much notes. Too many notes. Okay, we'll go with time liquidity. Can we go with this thing? I don't know what this is. Cool. Where are the brush? Okay, this is not what I. Okay, whatever. We can just do something here. This is totally different. Okay, I will do this next time. Explain my explain what I follow to lose less and make more. Eventually, I lost many accounts while doing that, so that is a different thing. कोई नहीं. We will bounce back this week and withdraw. Apparently, withdraw more than 500 is the target, because you can't withdraw less than 500 in Apex Trader, and that is what we are doing. So this is mini. Okay, this is the time model which I use on 15 minutes. This is where, okay, so yeah, this we will discuss later. First, we'll check out our performance account, which is the funded account of Apex Trader Funding. This is it. Okay, active performance account. PA stands for performance account, and this is 150k trade of it EOD trail, which I trade using the TradingView app on Mac only. I don't use phone for now. This is the certificate if I want to check it out again. So this is the certificate I got. My first futures funded account, 150k trade over EOD trade account, April 8th April 2026. So cool, yeah. And this is the level which I am currently at. The daily loss limit is to 500 contracts. I can go trading is 4 minis and 40 micros. The minimum balance is 150, which I am in drawdown currently. You can see, as you can see, 149, 152. We'll click on it and see. Let's see. Let's go. Days dormant as 3 days, right? I didn't trade on Friday and Saturday and Sunday. This is the third day. You have to keep trading. You can't miss more than 30 days of trading in these accounts or you lose it. So these are the rules. Profit target 154 600, minimum to withdraw 500. You will have to create 4600 cup buffer to at least withdraw 500 on this account. And 5 days fail. Minimum trading days requirement is 5 days. I am currently at 2 days. Trading days. Minimum trading days doesn't count if you are not making 350 ka profit per day in this account, and your best performance day can't exceed 50% of your total profit. This is good maths. You should YouTube it and see what does that mean, because I am in no mood to explain consistency rule. Just go for your regular targets and uh, you won't have to look at this thing. you know, just make consistent profit. If you are making 1,000 per day, make 1,000 per day. And if you are losing 250 per day, lose 250 per day. I mean, this doesn't count in negative days. This is just for the positive days. So if you are making 1,000 one day and 10,000 another day, you won't be eligible to withdraw the funds, as I know. So just go for 1,000 days, and that way you tell them that you are consistently making profit and you should be eligible for payout. Let's click on this and look. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is the first time I'm checking this. User active action pending. Complete identity verification is pending. Okay. PA account, yes. Current balance 149, 152, 847 का drawdown है यहाँ पे. 2 of trading days. Okay, they are counting the trading days, but for me to at least, for me to at least withdraw anything above 500, we need to make 350 ka profit on a single day. I mean, on 5 single days. Consistency rule is in red because we have not made any profit on this account yet. So that is what it is about. No pending payouts is green, and when this all thing goes into green, we can uh, request a payout. Prohibited activities. I don't think I am using any prohibited activities. Given I have already cleared the phase 1 and I'm funded on multiple accounts. So 5 days with 55 trading days get verified. We will get verified when we clear this. I don't think this is necessary right now. Trading details will go. So this is the dashboard of trading details. 2 days trading. We managed. Okay, this hasn't updated yet. So ये खाली इसका 9 का दिखा रहा है. 418 का लॉस के बाद का बैलेंस दिखा रहा है. Hasn't accounted this loss. So yeah, I hope it stays that way, but it won't. It will get updated on Monday, 3:30 a.m. So yeah, simple. 18 fields tells you that I took 9 trades, in which I was eventually in profit of 400, and then I managed to close the day with minus 400, which is not good because I managed to clear, you know, break even my account, and then I managed to close in negative 400, which tells me that I didn't follow any rule, which I don't know. I mean, I'm working on my rules for now, which are clearly not working for me. And we'll see. We'll see. We are amending rules and regulations every day according to the need of the account or the need of the hour. So this is the second day where I took 6 trades. Honestly, this was a 300 minus 300 minus $300 day, and then I revisited my risk settings and I changed my daily loss limit to 1200, and then I was close to minus $900, and I took a good trade, which gave me $550 profit, and I closed. I closed the day because I was, um, you know, mini managing my own risk, which is not good for the account, given I already am in drawdown with my alpha account, which is this one, and this is painful. This is really painful. Where I was eligible, I was totally eligible for a payout, which was around 127, which will be giving me, I don't know, around $103. But I was bored of making consistent profit of $100. This is where you can see my trades, number of trades 109, win percentage less than 25%, and I'm still managing to survive. The aim I aim to go for more than 40%. and the average loss is 23, average profit is 50. These are the days where I couldn't sleep. Wednesday and Thursday, 489 loss, 325 loss. So yeah, I won't be touching this account unless I, you know, make anything out of Apex. So that is that. Clearly, clearly on a path, I guess. So yeah, okay. We shouldn't be showing our this thing. I'm glad my password isn't visible. So let's go with this thing. Yeah, alpha is a different story. We'll review the account in the next video where I'm at least break even to go for and record a session for this account. This is where you see why consistency and following your rules is the major part of whatever you are doing. This was, yeah, in March I did good. I did good. You look at this. Okay, this is April. We'll skip that, and this is good. We managed to secure 113, 147 of payout, $147 ka payout, and after that I did good, but then I lost control. So yeah. So this is the certificate. I don't care about that right now. Won't visit my emails, and let's go on what we follow. So shout out to HC7 YouTube channel, which have introduced. I was using this strategy. I was using the same kind of strategy, but my strategy wasn't clear enough to make me believe that it works. And after I saw someone using the same strategy and making consistent payout requests, I gained some good confidence to go for it and do this. So this is the okay, we'll keep it. This is the 4 a.m. UTC. If you want to follow the strategy or the model, you can go with UTC. You should actually go with UTC -5, which is California. I guess California. Yeah, it's Chicago. Sorry. Yeah, it is Chicago's time. Chicago's timeline, which starts the session liquidity box starts 4 a.m. in the morning and closes at 8 8:15. The eighth candle is 8:15, and then we wait. Then we wait for the sweep of liquidity on either side and take opposite trades. Yeah, that's it. That is the model which I follow. So this is the sorry. This is the model which I follow. So I took a trade यहाँ पे and the same Apex trade which I took यहाँ पे, and we go for 1:1. I overlooked the fact that this is not a clear rejection from the upside, given we are using 15-minute time frame, which should give us a good thing, good downwards moment, which it did give us बाद में. But यहाँ पे, if you see, this is this thing which drew all the liquidity and which came up. So I kind of knew that this is the liquidity यहाँ जो इस कैंडल का इन सब कैंडल की liquidity है यहाँ पे. Let's just mark this level. इन सब कैंडल की जो liquidity है यहाँ पे, if you can see, we'll go with. I don't want to change my settings, so bear with. I will just increase the thickness of the line. Okay. So yeah, this is the candles and this is the liquidity जहाँ पे इसने ले. I will just clear this thing. Okay. We'll just clear this candle. Okay, I just won't show this thing, right? That's how you know that it is actually working. Okay, यहाँ पे. And these are some other strategies that I'm backtesting and using to make consistent things. We will talk about these indicators later on. And yeah, so this is the liquidity which got grabbed, and then it took a moment opposite to the liquidity session, which is this box, and yeah, this, and then I took a trade यहाँ पे, which we in which we managed to secure 550 dollars in our Apex account. I don't know. I haven't connected it, I guess. Let's go. Let's connect trade of it and see the trades. If it, yeah, this is, I don't know why it's not. It should be auto save, but whatever. We'll connect later Monday, later evening Monday. We can go with live session, but I don't know if it. I don't know if you will. So this is the trade which I took and managed to secure $550 for the day, which bought my loss from 900 to 428 something dollar in Apex. So yeah, you can go back test this strategy and see for yourself if it works. I'm currently using I'm currently going with the, okay, this is futures, and that's why it won't show any good liquidity in the charts, so we can go with CFD and backtest ourselves. Okay, 10 minutes, not no 10 minutes, please. We should go with 15. See, this is what I've been backtesting this today for a 1:1, which eventually gave us 50% probability. And if you have an edge, anything above 50% is good, as you guys have witnessed that I have a 24. Okay, this is also black. I have a 24% winning rate and still managing to make good. I mean, not making good payouts yet, but yeah, I'm clearing accounts. So yeah, that is good. That is what we see. Okay, let's go. So this is where it starts, 4 a.m. right? 4 a.m. We draw this line here, and then this is where it ends, 8 a.m. And you can see the sweep of this liquidity and a good rejection. If you go below 15 and try to take an early entry यहाँ पे, you might be lucky, and you might get lucky and catch the whole move, or you might have a bad day. And on the this thing right here, okay, this thing right here is a range in minutes or in seconds. If you are trading 15 seconds or 30 seconds or even 1 minute, this is a range which happened. You can only see a wick in 15-minute ka time frame, but this is the price has moved यहाँ पे. If I only could draw good things. So this happened यहाँ पे, okay, यहाँ पे. This is okay. Okay. यहाँ पे है ना. So if you think I should have, or we should have, entered a trade in this zone and captured the whole move, it can work. It can work on a good day. But then if you have a fucked up psychology and you want to only win, like I do, you will end up blowing the account. This is what happened here. And if you short here, okay, first trade of the day, You come in, you you did your office thing, and you come back home, and then this is the trade. This is a beautiful liquidity sitting here, which the session grabs, and you take an entry यहाँ पे. Okay, what the hell? Okay, let's try different color. Okay, this is only changing the, yeah. And then you take यहाँ पे trade, and it hits your stop loss. Then you again trade यहाँ पे trade, hits your stop loss, again trade, again take यहाँ पे trade, hits your stop loss, and then gives this beautiful move. Oh, some straight line. Wow. Okay. And then gives this beautiful move on the downside. Imagine your psyche. Imagine the damage it brings to your brain cells. So I have been there. Blew I have blown multiple accounts chasing this move day in and day out. And this is where I am right now. So what we do, best part of the best thing you can do in trading is to wait. Wait for the fucking setup. Wait for the okay, we can go in and just text it. Wait for the setup to show up. Wait for the setup to show up. Let's go. This is a good line. Wait for the setup to show up and then you react on it. Okay? This is the whole range which eventually what happens यहाँ पे, which might help you blow your account if you're not patient enough. It's, yeah, so this is where you take the trade or wait for the candle closing and then wait for it. Just take it, you know. If 15 minutes ka rejection is showing on the chart, it is something which is bold enough for you to go in, and you can place your stop loss on the session liquidity box ka high pay 84 points. Okay, 84 ticks in futures, 84 pips in CFDs, and 84 points in normal language. We will prefer normal language, which is 84 points. Okay, 84 points, and this is how the trade works. You can go replay the whole thing. Okay, ठीक है. यहाँ पे you take the entry. यहाँ पे you take the entry. We'll just go with this entry and just play it and see. Let's see how many candles it takes to hit our TP. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. So this is where you close your system and go home, or just go out if you're already home. And so this is where your psyche will fuck you up. Okay, this candle right here. Okay, we'll just use this circle because I have never used this. What the heck is going on? Yeah, if you use this circle, you know, this thing. This is where your psyche will fuck you up. यहाँ पे you will be praying to your favorite gods, or a favorite god, or gods, or many gods, or many religions, whatever, and you would wish that it takes your TP, it hits your TP, and you know, just give you your profit. But what it does, it reverses back from uh, just 4.8 points. 4.8 points in Nasdaq is nothing. Don't even consider it given the swaps. Yeah, swaps is a different devil that plays role in trading. In CFT, for now, CFTs and swaps are best friend, which keeps which likes to keep retailers or any trader unprofitable. So this is where Daniel Holmes, one of the YouTuber, takes suggests that you go for 1:1, and then you book your 80% when you hit your 80% profit. So this is different approach you can use, but then I don't do that. And so this is where all your emotions will come and dance on your face and nose and forehead and eyes and hairs, and you will be cursing the cursing your favorite gods right now. You will be praying here and you will be cursing here, and then you know I don't know what you will do यहाँ पे and what you will do यहाँ पे. And the only thing that I have learned is to not do anything यहाँ पे. I still struggle. I am still learning and I'm still booking profits before it hits TP. But this is what I'm actually learning, that wait and wait. Set and forget is something I have set and forget is something which okay and okay fine. Come on. Okay. In Mac delete is delete and nothing else. So set and forget so that you don't modify anything, any TP, any levels, anything, and that's it. That is the model I use. I want to use and I want to follow. I don't use it. I am working on it. I'm working on myself, working on my clicks, working on my clicking addiction. So this is it. This is what trading and executing, and all of it goes. Wait for the setup to show up, set and forget, entry, and the beautiful part, or the most boring part of trading is 1:1. And I'm still not gonna say that I am excited about 1:1, but this is what seems to work and seems to calm your nerves. Go for it. Try 1:1 for a week or a day, and you will be bored with your life and you will end up blowing your accounts. Honest review of 1:1 is that if you probably don't have a life outside of your trading, and then you will probably seek it in your trading, and then you will end up just blowing accounts because you are not satisfied with 1:1, and 1:1 is what works. I mean, if you have a strategy that is working for you, please continue that and stick to one trade per day. I have written thousands of rules to follow, and I have breached all of them the next day. This is the part which sucks. So yeah, we just have to keep your head down, don't do anything, and you will make money, I guess. Let's go to the next day. We will let's speed up the process of the next day because we don't have time, right? We think we don't have time and we end up doing this the whole time. We'll just wait, we'll just skip it 5 day because we have already, I guess we are in the zone of this thing. 4. Let's mark 4 ka low. This is not the necessary low which you will mark, but any low which forms between 4 a.m. to 8:15, you will have to mark that. I don't know. I am not sure why we mark that, but this is what we mark. And okay, yeah, this is what we mark right now. यहाँ पे. This is 8:30. Okay, this swept the level. What a beautiful sweep! What a beautiful sweep of liquidity. Okay, if you can see, let's just mark the levels first. Okay, this is 8:15, which is 8:30 eventually, and this is 8, which where the session liquidity ends, pre-New York session. And as you can see, sweep of liquidity, beautiful sweep of liquidity. This is okay. We'll have to mark the levels, right? Yeah. I totally forgot. What are these sweeps? These are buy side liquidity, and this is sell side liquidity. I don't care about FPGs, ICT, ICC, breakouts, session trading. Nothing should be considered if you want to make money. Stick with few things and you will make money, I guess. And if you don't, you won't. So this is where we enter because यहाँ पे इसने liquidity sweep करी है इस session की, है ना? This is the box which we go for, which we want. Waiting यहाँ से अच्छा fuck no. This is the fourth वाले candle. Okay, this is invalid. This whole candle is invalid right now. नहीं ये this is beautiful but it's not valid. So we wait. यहाँ पे सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी नहीं आई है, यहाँ पे बाय साइड लिक्विडिटी पे 50 मिनट की एक स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडल बन गई है. एंड व्हाट वी डू, वी लूज मनी यहाँ पे. इफ यहाँ पे सॉरी दिस ओके, वी लूज मनी यहाँ पे, वी लूज अकाउंट्स यहाँ पे, वी ओवर ट्रेड, वी ओवर थिंक, वी कर्स, वी डांस ऑन द बीट्स ऑफ market because we don't know anything else. So we end up losing accounts यहाँ पे, losing accounts at this juncture is what we do, is what we do here. Instead of waiting or just walking, fucking. Okay, this is getting abusive right now, so we won't abuse. Walking away. Okay. Losing accounts at this juncture is what we do here at this circle, and we then go on to bigger time frames and then we see that oh my god यहाँ पे कर लेता भाई, यहाँ पे कर लेता भाई, नहीं भाई कुछ नहीं करना है यहाँ पे वहाँ पे. let's see क्या होता है, let's see, just see. ठीक है, okay, okay, cool. यहाँ पे this is the candle basically जहाँ पे we take our trade. Given this is the breach of liquidity, this whatever FPG, I can't, oh my, if I only can, unlearn some things जो मैंने सीखा है. So yeah, it will help mostly. So यहाँ पे this is the entry trigger. This is the candle where we enter for 1:1, for God's sake, because this is which will give us 85 points. 85 points. Okay. 85 points. Entry. क्यों entry? क्योंकि this major bearish candle has breached this session liquidity का upper part, and what we do, we take reversal trades. Remember, this is a model where we only take reversal trades, nothing else, nothing, no fucking trending, no fucking trend market, trend analysis कुछ नहीं देखना है अपन को, बस 15 मिनट पे ट्रेड करना है. So this is what we do, we wait, and if you don't wait, you lose money. यहाँ पे you lose everything, यहाँ पे you lose your everything, you overdo your credit card, you fuck up your dates, you fuck up your outings, you don't go out, you just don't do anything here. And after you blow your accounts, blow all your accounts, you don't do anything here and you feel nothing. So if only you follow this thing, which, okay, not this thing, which is losing accounts at this juncture, is what we do if instead of waiting or just walk away. Yeah. set a trigger. If this price comes back into this thing, you can set a trigger यहाँ पे, which is how, this is how you set a trigger. Okay, okay, no, the markets are not live, so I don't know if that works यहाँ पे. Okay, so this is where we enter for 1:1. 1:1, precise fucking entry is what we want. So let's play this. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, yes sir. Hit, TP hit हो रही है यहाँ पे. If you save yourself यहाँ पे, you make money यहाँ पे. So this is what this model gives us in UTC 5, UTC -5. यहाँ पे this is 4842, 815 की candle, 830. Yeah, this is the candle. यहाँ पे this ये high है, तो ये 815 की candle तक अपन mark कर सकते हैं. Or you can go just mark 8 तक, क्योंकि this is okay. 815, 8, do your back testing, look for what works for you, and it should work. So yeah, 1 TP कितना हो गया अपना, 1 2, ठीक है. And let's go, let's speed this up and go to, yeah, if you don't, yeah, you would, this is the sad part जहाँ पे if you revisit your charts during the same session, you would see कि भाई यहाँ पे मैं 1:1 लेके बैठ गया, this went to 1:, whatever, 1:, कितना गया ये, 85 475, 85 475, 85 के सामने 475 points. This is more than 1:5, I guess. Yeah, this is more than 1:5. And you can let this run if you have a evaluation account and you don't mind hitting your TP the first day, and just do your बाकी के remaining trading days with minimum lots and just pass it. So, yes, model, ये trading style is only when you are funded. This is not for evaluation phases. This is only when you are funded. And this is what I am pressing on myself. In the process, I'm pressing the whole thing subconsciously and consciously. So the only reason I'm making this video is to force things which are profitable for me. And if you're watching this, for you, go with this model. You can, if you have a 5K ka evaluation, 5K ka evaluation, just keep your minimum loss यहाँ पे for the daily loss you want. If you have 5K ka account, I guess 250 is the daily loss. So you can take 100 ka 100 ka loss, because it's an eval account and you shouldn't be spending more than a week. More than a week is enough time for you to be clearing the account. So first day, go fucking crazy and just pass it. The second and third day, just take the minimum trades and have your phase 2 account, and then pass the same account with the same strategy and follow. Uske baad go 1:1, or you lose your funding account. That's the only way you can survive this prop firm industry, the futures industry, the markets. Even if you're trading Sensex, Nifty, I have and I have quit them. But yeah, because वहाँ पे spot trading नहीं है, so the only reason I quit Sensex and Nifty and Indian market is you can't trade spot. यहाँ पे this is Nasdaq 100, US 100, Nasdaq जो भी है, जो भी बोलते हैं इसको, you can just read price action and make money. Nothing, no futures, no selling, no options, nothing. You are trading the spot directly. The only enemy यहाँ पे जो होगा अपना, which is swaps. So this is the zone. This is the New York opens यहाँ पे 9:30 a.m. ठीक है, and this drops, and you just go with the trend, even if you don't fucking care about the trend, and you just follow this model. and book 1:1. But this is where this thing opens. US equity, you know. So I don't know. Too many thoughts, too much words, and we go on to the next day. Okay. This is where we start marking our zones. No clear high, no clear low. This is the 4 ka high. This is the current low. Let's see. यहाँ तक अपन देखेंगे 8 बजे तक 8 a.m. शिकागो टाइम UTC -5. ठीक है. So yeah, let's go. Okay, this is where the high is. Okay, one more candle. Yeah, हो गया. ठीक है. So this is where the high is. 8 a.m. का high. Yeah, no, yeah. मतलब 4 a.m. से 8 a.m. के बीच में. These are the session highs and these are the session low. यहाँ पे which we call buy side liquidity. This is the buy side liquidity and this is the sell side liquidity. This is the sell side liquidity. Okay. And we wait for any of this liquidity to be swept. Liquidity sweep is the only thing which will make you money. Any other model, if you are an index trader, should work. I don't know. अब यार तुम लोग का जो चल रहा है वो चल रहा है, अच्छी बात है. But this is 15 minutes. This is buy side liquidity. This is sell side liquidity. This is 4 a.m. का low. यहाँ से 4 a.m. का, if you want me to mark this, we will mark this 4 a.m. से 8. Yeah, this is we mark this low and we wait for sweep of either sides. Okay, let's go. Okay, cool. Look at this beauty. 8:45. This is not even equity open, but yeah, this is news हो रही है यहाँ पे. This symbol represents कि यहाँ पे news है. And yeah, so we wait क्योंकि यहाँ पे अपना इसके नीचे आया नहीं ना अभी तक. This is a rejection. This is a zone. This is a beautiful zone. बट डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी ट्रेडिंग से बचना है थोड़ा सा ब्रो. डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी ट्रेडिंग से बचेंगे नहीं तब तक वी कांट प्रिंट मनी. let the candles print in our zone and then we take the trade if it prints. See, this is where it's going. Okay, we don't trade after 10. Yeah, it's gone. No trade day. We move to next session. This is what day? Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday, no trade day. Let's go. Let's just forget this. No, nothing. कुछ नहीं करना अब कुछ नहीं करना है यहाँ पे. अब this is the second day जहाँ पे we will wait for it to. Okay, shit. थोड़ा सा जल्दी आ गया है, but ठीक है, कोई नहीं. We don't have time for adjusting levels वगैरह बार. So this is what we do. ठीक है. This is 730 का high, which clearly gets nothing. Liquidity sweep नहीं आती है यहाँ पे. And this is 4 का low. ठीक है. यहाँ पे भी if you see कोई opposite trades नहीं मिल रहा है यहाँ पे अपन को. 730 and this just goes down and I have tried entering these things यहाँ पे. If you want to, you know, जहाँ पे इसने ये वाले लेवल को ब्रीच करके एक कैंडल प्रिंट करी है बहुत ही बढ़िया. इसके ऊपर अपन यहाँ पे लगा देते हैं 48 पॉइंट्स and 48 points. But then you are not following the system, following the strategy. So I don't do this. I don't want to do this. I can do this, but I don't want to do this because then it would be breached of the rules that I have made for myself, which I struggle to follow, and I don't want that. Okay. So we just skip दूसरा day भी. Wednesday, Thursday, we're skipping the best days of trading Nasdaq, and that sucks. We wait for the next day. That is what we do. So यहाँ पे see this is printing our zone and I guess हो गया होगा, हो गया है, हाँ 8 बज गए. So again we mark the highs. यहाँ पे this is the 4 a.m. का high. 4 a.m. का high and 8 a.m. का is basically Tokyo का early session है ये. If you want to trade sessions, you can also add indicators यहाँ पे, but then I don't do that. What we are using here is time liquidity. Time liquidity, and I love it क्योंकि मैंने ये पहले करा हुआ है try, and I was unsure कि if it works क्योंकि I didn't back tested it, and then I jumped from strategy to strategy. So this is what it looks like. See, this is the level. We will wait for to be bridged, and let's slow down. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Wow, what a bridge. What a bridge. Okay, we wait क्योंकि अपन को opposite लेना है. If it sweeps sell side liquidity, we go long for 1:1. Okay, and if it sweeps buy side liquidity, we go short for 1:1. For funded account, for funded accounts only. So this is the rule. यहाँ पे सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी स्वीप हुई है, ठीक है. सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी स्वीप हुई है, यहाँ पे बाय साइड लिक्विडिटी स्वीप हुई है, बाय साइड लिक्विडिटी स्वीप हुई है. सो नहीं हुई है अभी तक, सॉरी नहीं हुई है. यहाँ पे सेल साइड हुई है, बट वी विल वेट फॉर द ट्रिगर, the enzyme where we go long, which is a close of bullish candle. Let's draw things or make a candle ourselves. So this is what it should look like. Sorry, not this. This. It is what it should look like, I guess. Yeah. And then we go long. If this happens, we go long. If not, we don't do anything. Okay, we wait. Let's go. Okay. Great. No trading after 11. So yeah, that's done for the day. No trades. We don't trade. This easier said than done. I would have gone long on this candle and lost money. So help yourself. So this yeah, it comes back into the zone earlier in the PM session, and it closes. So this is a beautiful close. If you are up अपने रात को 2 बजे जगे हुए तो you can take this trade. सही सिंपल है. इसके लो पे you can भाई तक 145 points का stop loss is a crazy thing to do with yourself, and I don't recommend this. I don't recommend long waitings in trades. So that's why we don't take this trade, क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पे भी अपन ने लाइन पे भी stop loss रखेंगे भाई तो ये it first hits our stop loss and then goes up. So that's why we don't trade after 11 PM के बाद और ये वाली कैंडल के बाद. PM sessions doesn't work. It can work, but I don't want it to be working because I'll be sleeping or watching something else on my phone or this thing only. Doesn't work in PM session, which is after 12 a.m. Obviously, PM session obviously okay, ठीक है. Doesn't work in PM session, which is after 12 a.m. obviously, so you don't trade. If you take trade यहाँ पे, you lose money. If you take trade यहाँ पे, you lose money. So preserve capital. Preserve capital, and you make money tomorrow. As simple as fucking that. Reserve capital and you make money tomorrow. That's it. That is what I am. This whole video is for myself. And if you are watching it, take the good part and notice the bad part and help yourself. So yeah, this is the different day. We have not traded Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and this is Sunday. Because we are in UTC -5, so we wait. So this is the second day where four. Okay, four. आ गया है यहाँ पे four. We just use this kind lines because too lazy to draw new ones. यहाँ पे फोर आ गया है and this is the 830. Look at this range, tight range भाई, tight range. Avoid such ranges. कितना पॉइंट्स है ये, कितने पॉइंट्स की रेंज है भाई? This is 60 points. God, 4 a.m. से 8 a.m. की रेंज 60 पॉइंट की है and then it breaches it. 830 की कैंडल ब्रीच कर रही है, फिर यहाँ पे भी आ रही है, फिर इफ यू टेक ट्रेड यहाँ पे यू ऑब्वियसली, सो दिस इज डिस्क्रिमिनेटरी क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ी कैंडल है यार, इसके ऊपर अपन नहीं स्टॉप लॉस रखेंगे ना, क्योंकि अपने पास एक लेवल है यहाँ पे BSL बाय साइड लिक्विडिटी का विच गॉट ब्रीच्ड बाय दिस ह्यूज बेरिश कैंडल. आई कॉल देम मिल्की बार्स. एंड यहाँ पे if this is 36, this is manageable, this is, it's okay to lose money here and take a trade rather than putting your stop loss इतना ऊपर and waiting. 110 का stop loss कौन देता है भाई? 37 points. Manage your risk, manage your portions, contracts, lots, जो भी है, points, and then you hit TP the next candle. That's the beauty of this session. If you have patience, you make good Monday it is. Okay, let's go. Good Mondays. Let's go. दूसरे सेशन में चलता हूँ. And this is where we wait. This is where we wait. Okay, this is where we. Let's go. We stop here. And because यहाँ पे अपन को कौन सी कैंडल मिल गया? 730. एक और कैंडल ले लेते हैं. ठीक है. चलो यहाँ पे लेवल्स मार्क करेंगे पहले अपन. 4 का हाई ये रहा. एंड 4 का लो यहाँ पे है. दिस हो गया यहाँ पे. एंड वी वेट फॉर व्हाट? द लिक्विडिटी स्विप ऑफ एनी आइदर ऑफ दिस लेवल्स. लेट्स गो. यहाँ पे हो गया है लिक्विडिटी. सॉरी भाई, यहाँ पे हो गया है लिक्विडिटी क्लियर. इफ यू हैव eyes you can see यहाँ पे we have the liquidity sweep. What a beautiful. But what we do here, what do we do here? Good liquidity sweep, beautiful rejection from the top. What do we do? It is not even a bearish candle, it is a green candle, bullish candle, but a rejection candle. So we, according to the rules, we only take trades on, we only take trades on negative candles. Negative candles for shorting and positive green candles, like you say, green candles for longing. ठीक है? Simple rules makes life easy. So we don't trade here, even though this is a beautiful, beautiful sweep of liquidity. 56 points. Oh my god, let's go. We don't do this. We wait. Okay, let's go. Even if we यहाँ पे अगर अपन ने ले लिया होता तो ये जाता नीचे है. यहाँ पे अगर अपन ट्रेड लेते शॉर्ट तो इट वुड हैव मेड सेंस. ये गया था 40. We will revisit these candles. We will revisit such doji candles. Okay. We will revisit and backtest for doji candles and know if it works and know if it works. And this is the point. This is where you fuck up. This is where you fuck up. This is where your mitochondria shouldn't be wasting any energy. Okay, this because this looks like a mitochondria. I had to, and yeah, fuck it, bro. Fuck it. One session, one candle doesn't define your strategy, even if it hits your SL. Because we will be hitting our SL in the next candle. If you know, you know. Because यहाँ पे, as you can see, this candle gave us a beautiful hammer from the liquidity sesh. And what we do, we go, let's clear the mitochondria. We visit, we will visit the back test. This is back test for doji candles and know if it works. Nope, never. One more time to waste, even if it works. Okay. So how we lose money? Because यहाँ पे इसने बहुत ही बेहतरीन कैंडल दिया है, but and if we take trade यहाँ पे for this 54 points and this 54 points, we lose money. Alright. So we made money on Monday, we lost money on Tuesday. Let's go. Next day. Yeah. Just don't do anything. Money lost is money lost. It's okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We have 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 4 a.m. Guess 4 a.m. ka high, beautiful candle. Let's wait for 8 a.m. 8 a.m. okay, हो गया 8 a.m. 8:15 is 8 a.m. 8 a.m. की candle is exactly for 8:15 क्योंकि 8 a.m. की candle ये हो गया 7:45 की. So this is the sesh, this is the liquidity zones जहाँ पे let's save this, all these things. ठीक है, यहाँ पे we have the 4 a.m. का low and 4 a.m. का high is the candle itself. So we wait for sweep, liquidity sweep. Let's go. Wow, wow, wow. What a sweep. है ना? It's clearly not working. कोई नहीं, we wait for जितनी कम रेंज होती है ना इसकी उतना it doesn't work. मैंने ये तो देखा है 100 पॉइंट्स की है, तो वी कैन ऐड एन एडिशनल रूल कि अगर ये 100 पॉइंट से कम भी रेंज है, वी शुडंट ट्रेड बिकॉज इट डजंट मेक सेंस, राइट? So that is that. We just accelerate this part and go to the next day. Look at how it's rejecting from here. Beautiful, right? So new day, new candles. And this is the high of that session, and this is the low of that session, 8:15. And we wait for the sweep. Bhai Sahab, look at this. Oh yes, beautiful. Okay, beautiful but deadly. Beautiful yet deadly. What a beautiful candle. 145. God, 145 नहीं कर सकते यार. This is too much, but let's see. But 145 is nothing for Nasdaq to be noted. Let's see. Cool. Stop loss hit. हाँ भाई 15 minutes पे stop loss hit पे hit हो जा रहा है. Oh, that's fine. Okay. कोई नहीं. 1:1 is definitely working, but यहाँ पे भी it's ये रेंज बहुत कम है यार, रेंज बहुत कम हो रही है, जितनी कम नहीं है 200 पॉइंट की रेंज तो सही होनी चाहिए। दिस एंड दिस एंड दिस, ठीक है, वी लूज मनी मंडे टू वेडनेसडे, 3 days, ओके 3 days, लेट्स गो। नेक्स्ट डे, नेक्स्ट डे, टाइट रेंजेस आर टू बी अवॉइडेड, लेस देन 100 वाले, ठीक है। ओके दिस थोड़ा सा बैक करेंगे इसको, बट ठीक है, कोई नहीं, बैक करने की जरूरत नहीं। Let's go with this. This is the session high, buy side liquidity. This is the session low, क्योंकि 8 तो यहाँ बच गए हैं अपने, and this is the session low. This is the candle where we go long and it hits TP, because why not? Because यहाँ पे रखना है, यहाँ पे रखो, यहाँ पे रखना है, यहाँ पे रखो, तुम्हारी मर्जी। 177 बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कैंडल्स बनती है यार 177 की। This is it. We hit TP finally. 1 day of making money and 3 days of losing money. So let's go to the next day. This is where Trump kicks in, I guess. I don't know. But ठीक है, कोई नहीं। अच्छा, दूसरा डे भी चालू हो गया। Let's go, let's go. Let's stop here. And this is it. And this is it. Okay, this is the 4 a.m. 4 a.m. का high. And I don't need lines. क्योंकि lines already बनी हुई हैं यहाँ पे। This is 8:30. We should not do that. 8:15, nope. And yeah, 8. Again, a tight range. We will have to, nahin, theek hai. 281 ki range is good enough. Definitely good enough. And this is the candle which we go long on, because यहाँ पे ये आ रहा है 144, यहाँ पे सेशन लिक्विडिटी का, बाय सेल साइड लिक्विडिटी का पॉइंट है यहाँ पे 144, 144, 146, ठीक है, चलिए, लेट्स सी। Yeah, again, God, it's not working. 15 minutes. I've been trying this back test, मैंने करा है इसका पहले भी, but नहीं बन रहा है 15 मिनट पे। Maybe the second candle which forms after this thing, if it doesn't react on towards this zone, अगर ये zone से पहले rejection लेके यहाँ पे आ रहा है, and if we go long यहाँ पे, it's definitely works, but even if we put our stop loss यहाँ पे, it hits the stop loss. See, so खाली अपना मंडे 4 दिन में से 3 दिन माइनस हुआ है, एंड यहाँ पे भी माइनस हुआ है, ठीक है। लेट्स गो। Volatility kicks in and you lose money. It doesn't even reach upper the side. Let's go. Next day. Next day. Might revisit the strategy, but yeah, this is what we are doing right now. Definitely not a good thing for psyche. This is 4 a.m. का high. This is 8 उससे पहले का high. And this is the candle which sweeps everything of this range, and let's see what happens. Okay. No, don't. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It doesn't even come back, I guess. Okay, it does. 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 Okay. It does, but it's after. Oh, guys. If we avoid price action, we might not make money on this strategy, I guess. This is infuriating, and let's go. I don't know if this breaks the zone. We can take a shot यहाँ पे for 1:1, but shouldn't be this way. What is the range? 195 की range भी नहीं काम कर रही है. Okay. This is good. This seems to be, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अगर ट्रेड लेगा तो एक स्टॉप लॉस जाएगा, दूसरा ट्रेड लेगा तो यहाँ पे मे भी देखते हैं। 60 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस है, 60 पॉइंट का ऐसा है। and it takes it hits tippy, but it's not healthy क्योंकि यहाँ पे you will lose money given you take trade यहाँ पे following the closure of a green candle above SSL, and then you eventually lose money because यहाँ पे 52 points है, but 52 points भी जा रहा है यहाँ पे. So if you have two accounts you can take your trade यहाँ पे बंद कर सकते हो, दूसरा trade ले सकते हो अगर दूसरा account है तो, and that is how it works. Simple as that. We go on to the next day. Where is the winning streak? Winning streak नहीं आ रही है यार यहाँ पे तो. Okay. So this is the level. This is the level. यहाँ पे 4M नहीं है, यहाँ पे 4M ये है 4M अभी तक नहीं आया. क्या रेंज है, इतनी घटिया रेंज है भाई, इतनी टाइट रेंज कैसे हो सकता है कुछ भी. इसका हाई ये है ठीक है, इसका लो ये है, नहीं ये है भाई. लुक एट दिस. ट्रेड ही नहीं करना है भाई, नहीं करना है, नहीं कर सकते यार ट्रेड इसको. Look at this. Look at this candles. God. We'll be backtesting no weeks candle in the next session of Omar Bhai and Brad Bhai. Brad FX and Omar Bhai are the ones जो मैं देखता हूँ उनको यूज़ करते हुए no weeks वाले. वो भी है, वो बोरिंग है, बहुत बोरिंग है, बट ठीक है, बोरिंग है बट it makes money, so I don't know. I want to trade index. The reason I trade index is मैं सेंसेक्स करता था पहले. So let's go. Currency के है मेरे पास यहाँ पे, but these are the indicators which we will backtest बाद में, ठीक है. So this is it. यहाँ पे 4 AM का लो है, यहाँ पे 8 9 नहीं भाई नहीं, यहाँ पे ये है ना, ठीक है, यहाँ पे है. So this is beautiful. This is again beautiful stuff. जो यहाँ पे एक बार अपना stop loss लेगा, which is irritating as fuck, but यहाँ पे ठीक है कोई नहीं. What happened? यहाँ पे अपन stop loss यहाँ पे entry लेंगे. This is the stop loss which gets hit, or this is the stop loss which gets hits. So yeah, this is giving me second thoughts now. The strategy is giving me second thoughts. Session liquidity. Either I go lower time frame and see for setups, or I just don't trade this strategy anymore. Okay, we stop this thing, I guess. Let's go. Done for the day, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Tuning in if you are stopping this recording. We will be backtesting something different. Given now I know that this doesn't work even in 1:1. So that is the sad part. Why this is not working even in 1:1. That might be the reason I am losing money on my funded account, and also on the Alpha one, which is in 70% drawdown. Save yourself, save your psyche, trade responsibly, and try to blow less accounts. Chows. Bye bye.